Hello everyone. In the previous video, we discussed the problem swap nodes in pairs theoretically. We basically wrote the entire algorithm down. In this video, we are going to simply implement what we discussed. And it's going to be very short, as I said previously. If you haven't seen the previous video, I suggest you do so because I've explained it thoroughly. And in this video, we'll be sticking to the implementation of the same. So we're going to start off with the couple of edge cases that I talked about at the very end of the previous video. So let's say we have not been given any input over here. That is, if head is basically an undefined value, or if there is just one node given to us, in that case, we will simply return the node and be done with it, which covers these two cases. So if we have nothing, or if we have just one node, simply return whatever has been given to us, and that will be the correct answer in that case because there is nothing to be swapped. As far as the rest of the problem is concerned, the next node that we have is simply the next node after head, and the next pair head will be this node's next node. Rather simple, right? Because we have the head node, head's next node, and then this next node's next node will be the first node of the next pair that we have to deal with, which we will eventually pass on over here, right? So this value that we hard coded it in the previous video, we are now specifying its actual value. So once we have that, we will have to change the position, the pointer of this particular linked list. This node will now start pointing to its complementary element. So the next node of this node will become the head. So 2 has now started pointing to 1 in this case. Then comes the question, what will 1 point to? So as we discussed, 1 is the head currently. Its next node will then become whatever is the solution of this recursive call. So I call the function again. I'll pass on this head now, which will be 3. And then I have to swap 3 and 4, return the head of that particular pair after swapping, tackle the next problem, so on and so forth. And after swapping, since this next element is what actually becomes the head, that is what we will end up returning. And we'll run this. All the cases have passed. Let's submit this. All right, perfect. Couldn't ask for a better output. That is the question, swap nodes in pairs for you. I'll see you in the next one, so follow for more.